Live from Chicago's #1 news, ABC 7 Eyewitness News at 5 starts right now.
Several dogs are injured in the Lakeview neighborhood after stepping on an electrified manhole cover.
An electrified manhole cover is being blamed for injuring some dogs in the city's Lakeview neighborhood yesterday. Witnesses say at least 4 dogs were shocked when they stepped on the manhole cover at the corner of Halsted and Wellington. Well, tonight, we hear from the owner of one of the injured pets, Michelle Gallardo, live tonight with the advice for dog owners about this risk. Michelle.
That's right, Cheryl. You know, the good news, first of all, is that the dogs that were affected by whatever was going through this manhole cover did not suffer any lasting damage. They are going to be okay. The problem has been fixed. We did talk to one of the dog moms earlier, and she tells us that her dog actually suffered a seizure as a result. She had no idea what was going on, and he actually remained lying on that manhole cover for several minutes. He's back to his normal self now, but it's been a rough 24 hours for Bodie and his dog mom. Back home from the vet this afternoon, Lena Schwartz recounts the terrifying experience that left both of them hurt and badly shaken while out on their daily walk Sunday.
He became very anxious and started just squealing at the top of his lungs. So I went to obviously grab him and see if he was okay, and I tried to grab his collar. And he got me. He was just snapping. The blood was coming from his mouth. We did find out from the vet that he bit a hole under the side of his tongue.
The golden retriever was at least one of 4 dogs witnesses say were shocked walking over this manhole, located on the southeast corner of Wellington and Halsted yesterday.
It was another dog, and it wasn't in the same condition the other one was, but it had gotten upset there and pooped and jumped, and its owner was holding it.
Covered by snow at the time, the manhole appears to have been acting as a conduit for nearby electric current. Crews called to the scene last night have now fixed the problem. And while these incidents aren't common, Dr. David Gonsky says there are instances where dogs have gone into cardiac arrest.
At least start chest compressions of some sort, and every 30 seconds, just breathe into your dog's nose to inflate its lungs. At the very basic level, that could save your dog's life.
As for Bodie, there is no lasting physical damage, just some residual anxiety.
We're very fortunate that it wasn't worse, and we wouldn't wish this on anybody. I mean, it was a terrifying experience.
Now, our vet tells us that other than, of course, sidestepping those manhole covers while on the daily walks, another thing that pet owners can do is to get dogs the booties, the rubber-soled booties, because while they're not 100% effective, they can act as a barrier, much in the same way our shoes do when we walk over them. Live in Lakeview, I'm Michelle Gallardo, ABC 7 Eyewitness News. Back to you.
And Michelle, thanks. Glad those pets are okay.